How to use Gemini AI for free without Google Workspace. Full Guide 2025. Step 1. Go to the Gemini website. Open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. You don't need Workspace. A regular Google account works. Step 2. Sign in with your personal Google account. Click Sign In and use your normal Gmail. No Workspace subscription required. Step 3. Choose the free Gemini plan. When prompted, select Use Gemini for free. Skip anything about Workspace or business plans. Step 4. Start using Gemini tools. With free versions, you can chat, generate texts, ask questions, create images, and use simple actions and tasks. Step 5. Use Gemini everywhere. You can use Gemini on mobile app, same with Android or iPhone, Chrome browser, docs, slides via extensions. If it asks about Workspace again, just choose Continue with Personal Account.